Hey everyone, today we would introduce you to JS Residence, a family home in Vadodara, Gujarat. Designed by the Crossboundaries, this is the story of a house conceived on the principles of minimalism. Let me give you quick specs. Spread across a plot area of 2,700 square feet, the bungalow has a built-up area of 5,000 square feet. Located in a dense urban neighborhood, the house highlights a natural and subtle material palette. The landscape and large openings brings in ample natural daylight, establishing a sense of harmony throughout the house. If you want to know more about this project story, click on the link mentioned in the description below. It will take you to our website buildofy.com, where you can become a member and download full PDF ebook including detailed floor plans, section elevation with dimensions and the material palette. You can download 250 plus PDF ebooks of the houses pan-India. Our members also get to watch a full-length film where the architect walks us through the house, explaining the spaces and other important details. Till then, I hope you enjoy this video.
We have tried to follow a design style of contemporary minimalism, keeping the material palette intact. So the house is located in an area named Manjalpur in Vadodara, which is a developing area right now, and the neighborhood of the house is mostly residential plots. It's a very tight plotting where all the units are ground plus 2 residences. The requirement of the client was very simple: to design a spacious and upgraded living. This was the plot which we had. It was quite a linear plot within which we had to design the house, and this was our shed wall. We tucked the staircase right next to the RCC concrete wall which was to be shed, and a lift right next to it. All the functions happened around them, so we get the maximum utilization of the space. Through the perforated pedestrian doors, one can enter in the space. So you climb up through the stairs. You enter through the 10 feet long main door. We land up in the cast in situ concrete Lord Mahavira statue. And once you enter the space, you have a 14 feet high living area, whereas from this space you have the whole area which is 12 feet. On the ground floor we have given a guest room, a kitchen, a wash area on the back, and the utilities behind, and the main living area which opens out in the green area. This is the tall 12 feet door where we have a tinted mirror right in the center, and we have designed the door in a way that it has a burnt veneer finish within it, whereas this actually acts like a handle. Right in the entry, I have this cast in situ concrete wall where we have Lord Mahavira's statue. So once you climb up through the stairs, you enter in the main passage area. As I told, this is the main circulation area which we have used, and through the main circulation area you can enter in the 3 bedrooms. So this is the elder son's bedroom. Similarly, this is parents' bedroom, and the 3rd bedroom, which is like a step up. There are like 3 steps which takes you to the younger son's bedroom, and it has a nice opening to the balcony which opens out on the road. This is the 2nd floor where we have the entertainment room. The entertainment room has been carved out in a way that there's a niche which has a bar, and you get a clear rectangular space which can be used for the entertainment with a screen. From the passage, you can again climb up and enter the terrace garden area. In this roof area, we have used potted plants rather than having green lawn. What we did was we wanted the client to walk over the hard surface, whereas you still have the part of greens around you. Even we have set those creepers which would eventually be falling over the building. This is the area where the whole play of light happens. There's a slit on the top, and the natural afternoon light actually comes directly on the cantilevered table on the ground floor, and it illuminates the whole central core of the space. The central core is the hero of the residence actually, through which we are getting maximum natural light. Whatever you see, every single unit which we have designed has been derived from the shape of the plot, which is the horizontal plot. Talking about the material palette which we have used in the house, most of the materials are earthen. Like we have used kota and kadappa flooring for the whole house. For paint, we have used stucco, which is a natural concrete finish paint for the ground floor, whereas the overall furniture, upholsteries and the finishes, the soft furnishings are something where we have added a bit of color, a bit of drama.
Major points I love about this house is basically this long glasses. When we sit here in the early morning and the sun rays comes upon us, we feel really good, positive energy. The color coordination of this house, everything matches and blends together. It looks so pretty and chic at the same time.
We got the opportunity to accommodate every single thing which were there in the client's list without compromising on any of their requirements. So we are really happy the way the house is actually utilized. Every bit of the corner has been planned and designed in a way that they are enjoying the space. So that is the self-appreciation for us while we have designed this house for them.